Switching courtrooms in Virginia Beach, where more prison time is possible for a man accused of having images of child sexual abuse. Philip Bay was found guilty on all counts this morning.
Bay served time years ago for a plot to attack Lansdowne High School. Tonight, the verdict and why Bay's attorney is questioning the judge's decision. 10 on your side's Raven Payne joins us now with more. Raven?
Well, the judge today said the Commonwealth was able to prove Philip Bay had knowledge and control of child sex abuse images on his cloud account. And part of that decision was based on a match between some pictures on Bay's phone as well as his cloud. But Bay's attorney tells me the fact that only some pictures were found to be the same means his client shouldn't have been found guilty. Philip Bay was found guilty on 20 counts of possessing child sex abuse images. From the initial investigation, 120,000 images were pulled from a cloud account connected to Bay's phone number. But this case focused on 33 of those images depicting child sex abuse. In the prosecution's argument, they pointed out 9 pictures from Bay's phone matched some of the total images from the cloud. But Bay's attorney, Eric Korsland, says that doesn't prove their case.
The images, again, on the cloud that were the subject of this trial were not found on any of his devices. So I think it left open that argument, that he didn't know the stuff was on the cloud.
In its argument, the prosecution also says of all the media from the cloud, some selfies of Bay and the illegal ones were uploaded either on the same day or in close range in October of 2022.
That was a difficult fact or a difficult hurdle for us to overcome, but it's still left open the possibility, and I think the realistic possibility, that Mr. Bay did not know these images were on the cloud. There's a myriad of possibilities and things we explored because the phone was in somebody else's name, somebody else had a plan. The images were uploaded from the same type of phone, but they couldn't say it was a phone. The deleted images couldn't be found on that phone.
He says this verdict is a violation of Bay's active probation, that probation coming from when he was convicted of plotting to bomb Lansdowne High School more than a decade ago.
He is exposed to an enormous penitentiary sentence that is hanging over his head, so to speak, and the court has the authority to reimpose that sentence because of this conviction.
The prosecution sent me a statement saying, in part, they hope this serves as a stark warning to anyone else who might consider engaging in similar behavior. Bay's pre-sentencing is set for November 26th. Raven Payne, 10 on your side.